Welcome back to For Your Heart and Home. My name is Dee Dee. Welcome into my kitchen. Today I'm preparing a very simple dinner that has been my go-to for the last several weeks. We keep making this over and over again. My family enjoys it, and for me, if it ain't broke, I'm not fixing it. We don't mind leftovers, and I like to make something that I know my family will enjoy, and so this has been on repeat over the last several weeks. Tonight I'm preparing a simple roasted chicken, and I'm pairing that with a sweet potato mash as well as a simple garden salad. Very simple ingredients and something that I come back to time and time again. If you're new here, my name is Dee Dee and I am a wife, a cookbook author, and a mother of 3 beautiful gifts. I'm also a homeschooling mom, so meals like this is something that I rely on because I can come back to it time and time again. I know my family will enjoy it and it's a nourishing meal. I'm going to take this chicken, it's already been cleaned. I'm going to season it on all sides, and I'm going to use a liquid smoke which gives it that final finishing touch. Slip this in the oven, and I love this because it's so hands off. I would equate this to something similar to a crock pot meal because you can just put all the ingredients in your crock pot, you can turn it on, and you can go on with your day. I don't have a crock pot, and so I don't use that style of cooking. However, this to me is very similar. I can season my chicken well, I can put it in my oven, and I can leave it there and it can do its thing, and I can come back to tender, juicy, and well-seasoned chicken. Again, to go along with this chicken, I'm going to do a simple sweet potato mash. I try to stay away from dairy when possible, and so my sweet potato mash will not have any milk in it. I'm simply going to boil it until it is soft, mash it, and add some butter and salt to taste. And then I'm going to just pair it with a simple salad that has lettuce, tomato, and some hemp seed. I will also be making a very simple salad dressing. If you've been on this channel any length of time, you know I am very much about cooking from scratch, making what you can in your kitchen from very simple ingredients. So for this, I'm going to be using equal parts oil and white vinegar. I'm also going to be adding some salt, some pepper, and a little bit of honey. Very simple, very delicious, and it just elevates this simple salad so well. So that's what we're having for dinner today. Again, I love this meal because it's so hands off, and I can go about my day completing other tasks, homeschooling my children, and by the end of the night, we can all sit down to this beautiful meal. So while I'm preparing this meal today, I would like to talk to you about another wonderful woman from the Bible. This is the story of the woman with the issue of blood. She had very quiet faith that led to complete healing. The woman with the issue of blood. As I'm working on this dinner tonight, I think about the patience and the care that goes into a slow, steady process, much like the perseverance this woman showed in her life. In Mark chapter 5, we read about a woman who had suffered for 12 long years with continual illness. She had tried every remedy she could find, yet nothing helped. She had spent all she had, and her condition only grew worse. Despite her suffering and discouragement, she still believed that Jesus could heal her. The Bible says, she said to herself, "If I just touch his garments, I will be healed." This is faith, a faith that presses forward even when hope feels distant. She quietly made her way through the crowd and touched the hem of his garment, and immediately, not sometime later, but immediately, she was healed. This woman's story reminds us that faith does not need to be loud or perfect. It simply needs to reach for Jesus. She did not ask for attention. She simply trusted that his power was greater than her pain. Jesus noticed her faith and called her daughter, saying, "Your faith has made you well. Go in peace." Her healing was not just physical. It restored her dignity in the community and her peace. As I pull this meal together, as I plate this lovely dinner, I'm reminded that God sees every season of waiting and every act of faith. Just like this meal is prepared slowly and carefully, God's work in our lives is steady and purposeful, bringing healing in His perfect time. I hope you're enjoying this March series about women of faith and working in the kitchen and understanding how meal preparation works in conjunction with stewarding our home. I hope that I've been able to provide you with some inspiration through these videos. If you have any questions about anything that I have shared, if you would like to see a recipe that I am using, feel free to comment down in the comment section. I love hearing from you. I would love to continue to build this community. So if you're enjoying my videos, I encourage you to like and share them with family and friends. Also encourage others to subscribe if they haven't done so. Your interaction with my videos give me encouragement to continue making even more. So thanks for being here in my kitchen with me today. Until next time, be well, my friends.